Kumusta? Magandang araw. Ako si Reymund. Hello everyone. Good day. I'm Reymund and welcome to my channel. Our topic for today is all about identifying numbers in Tagalog or Filipino, and this is a practice exercise. Before our practice exercise, let us once again recall our numbers from 1 to 10. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, and sampu. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, sampu. And to say numbers from 11 to 20 or 19, this is what you are gonna remember. So you'll have to use the word labi plus the connector, which is either na, ng, or n. So when you say 11, that's labing isa. Labing isa. And for number 12, that's labindalawa. Labindalawa. You have to use the connector n since the word dalawa starts with a D. So labindalawa. Labing isa, labindalawa, labintatlo, labing apat, labinlima, labing anim, labimpito, labing walo, labinsyam, dalawampu. Labing isa, labindalawa, labintatlo, labing apat, labinlima, labing anim, labimpito, labing walo, labinsyam, dalawampu. Another thing that you'll have to remember for the multiples of 10 is that you have to use, of course, the numbers 1 to 10, 1 to 9 still, plus the connector which is either na, nang, or m plus pu. Sampu, dalawampu, tatlumpu, apat na po, limampu, anim na po, pitumpu, walumpu, siyam na po. And for hundreds, you will still be using numbers 1 to 9 plus na or nang, and daan or raan plus at plus numbers 1 to 19. So to say 200, that would be dalawa. That's how you say 2, and the word for 100 is daan. So that is dalawang daan. For 300, that's tatlong daan, tatlo. That's 3, and then daan is 400. So tatlong daan, you added the connector ng. You will be using raan for apat, anim, siyam. So, apat na raan, anim na raan, siyam na raan. For isa, dalawa, tatlo, lima, pito, and walo, you will be using the connector ng and the word daan. So, that would be isang daan, dalawang daan, tatlong daan, limang daan, pitong daan, walong daan. Let us have the first one. The first number is 18. When we say 18, so you will be using labi for numbers 11 to 19, labi. And to say 8, that's walo. So that would be labing walo. We use the connector ng. Labing walo. Next number is 88. When we say 80, that's walumpo, and walo, that's 8. So walumput walo. Walumput walo. Next number is 47. 47. When we say apat, that's 4. Apat na po, that's 40. And to say 7, that's pito. So, apat na put pito, or apat na po at pito. Apat na put pito. 69 in Tagalog, 60. 6 is anim. Anim na po, that's 60. 9 is siyam. So, anim na put siyam. Anim na put siyam. 126. 126. When we say 100 in Tagalog, that's isang daan. 100. Dalawampu, that's 20. And 6 is anim. Isang daan, dalawamput anim. 234, when we say 200 in Tagalog, that's dalawang daan. Tatlumpu, that's 30. And apat is 4. Dalawang daan, tatlumput apat. 361 is tatlong daan, anim na put isa. Tatlo is 3. Tatlong daan, that's 300. Anim is 6. Anim na po is 60. And isa is 1. Tatlong daan, anim na put isa. 402. 402. So, apat, that's 4. Apat na raan, that's 400. And dalawa is 2. Apat na raan, dalawa. So, apat na raan at dalawa. Apat na raan at dalawa. 678 is 678. Anim, that's 6. 600, that's 600. Pito, that's 7. Pitumpo is 70. And 8 is 8. So 678, that's 678. 987 is 987. 987. Siyam, that's 9. Raan is for hundreds. 900 and 88, that's 8. 80 is 80 and pito is 7. So to say 987 in Tagalog is 987. That's all for our lesson, which is about identifying numbers in Tagalog or Filipino. I do hope you learned something new from this video, and please don't forget to click like or subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, paalam at ingat. Thank you very much, goodbye, and take care.